Hey there, stampers. My name is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Canada, and I'm here to release this month's treasure box. So for the October 2020 treasure box, the stamp set that I'm featuring is the Gnome for the Holiday stamp set. This stamp set is from the August to December 2020 mini catalog, and it's such a cute stamp set. It's perfect for creating a little bit more whimsical, lighthearted cards for the holiday season. And the treasure box, for a cost of $45, will get you this stamp set, which is valued at $26 before shipping and tax, and the pieces to create 6 cards, 2 each of 3 different designs, all featuring this stamp set. You'll also be emailed a PDF, and in that PDF will be all the measurements, any additional supplies that I've used, and links to videos showing you step-by-step how to create those cards. The only additional supplies that you'll need, let me slide these out of the way here, is a Memento black ink pad and some way to color in those images. And I've used Stampin' Blends. So I've used Petal Pink, Smoky Slate, Real Red, Shaded Spruce, Crumb Cake, Pretty Peacock, and Daffodil Delight. Now, this seems like an awful lot of colors, but you can switch out any of these colors for colors that you may already have on hand. Okay, so that's all you need to have on hand, of course, and then blocks and adhesive. All right, and here is a little peek at the cards. So just a little sneak peek at the adorable cards that we're creating using this Gnome for the Holidays stamp set. So you can register anytime between October 15th and October 25th. The cost is $45 plus $5 shipping anywhere in Canada. All right, if you're local to me in the Sherwood Park area or Edmonton area and you'd like to pick up, then there's no shipping charge. Okay, so I will have all the links to how to register in the description below. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I'm happy to answer them. All right, thanks so much.